Hi, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Bitform. First, go to your WordPress dashboard panel. Then go to the Plugins page. And click on the Add New button. Now search for Bitform. Then you will see Bitform in the list. To install Bitform in WordPress, press Install Now. It may take some time to download and install. Then press Activate button to activate Bitform free version. After activation, you will see Bitform in your WordPress plugin list. Now navigate to Bitform's dashboard. Here's how look like Bitform's dashboard after successful installation. Let's create our first form. Click on the Create First Form button and create a blank form. Here's our form builder dashboard. We can create any kind of form by drag and drop from the left toolbar. And I just add 2 fields for example. You can configure and change style of those fields from the right toolbar. To more details, watch our From Builder tutorial and style customization tutorial, link in the description below. Let's give a name of our form what we just created. And click Save to save this form. Now, let's go back the form list. We just created our first form. To embed this form in your website, just copy the shortcode and paste it in your page, where you want to show. There is some extra feature of the form. Some are available in premium version, like unlimited conditional logics, integrations and many more. Now, let's see how to buy and activate premium version of Bitform. Go to the bitpress.pro website. Link in the description below. This website design might change later. Now, navigate to the pricing section and click on the Get Started. Here you can see the list of all Bitform's plan. Select your wanted plan. You can customize the quantity as you want. We recommend the Bitform Basic. And click Proceed. Now, you have to fill out the form with the proper information. And click Next. Now give your location and payment information. If you have any coupon code, you can add them here. There are several options to pay with. I'm going with my PayPal. After successful payment, you will redirect it to your subscription dashboard. It may take some time to activate your subscription. You can check your subscription activated or not by pressing Reload button. After activation of your subscription, you will see the Bitform subscription in your dashboard. Also, you will get welcome email with download links and license key from WordPress. In this email, you will get the license key, Bitform free, and pro version link, tutorial links, documentation link, and other further informations. Also, you will get details description of Bitform and our documentation, including tutorials in YouTube. If you need any kind of help and support, you can use our website's live chat option. Our support team always ready to help you. We encourage you to join our Facebook community and discussion group. Also, you can mail us at support@bitpress.pro. Now, let's back to our subscription dashboard. Here, you can see your subscription details. You can also upgrade your subscription anytime. Let's download and save Pro version of our plugin. Then navigate to our WordPress dashboard. Once again, go to the plugin page. Click Add New. Now, select Upload Plugin. Click Choose File. And select the Bitform Pro file, what we just downloaded. Then press Install Now. It will take some moment to install. After successfully install, you have to activate this Pro version of this plugin by pressing Activate Plugin. After activation, you will see the Pro version in your plugin list. Then go to Bitform. You will see there is a sub-menu of Bitform called License. Go to the license page. Now copy the license key from Subscription Dashboard and paste it here. And click Submit. It will show a success message. Congratulations! You are now Pro member of Bitform plugin. Now you are able to access all of Pro features, updates, and support. Now create your creative and beautiful forms, apply logics and connect with other platform with various integrations. Thank you for staying with us.